My name is Myoung Goo Kim at Cambrex High Point. Most of publications that I've done in PhD work, I published at more than 15 scientific journals, and as well as I have more than 20 patent applications. As a process chemist, we start with process development and process improvement and also process optimization. Once we have the process optimization, we demonstrate about medium scale from a couple of gram to 1 kilo scale. One client bring a project. I never ever seen this kind of project. 21 step process development. Normally we handle that maximum 10 step for API. But beyond that, 21 step API process development, is it possible? I remember that one step is a big chemistry issue. The problem is that from the tech package, there's a peptide-bond formation is make an epimerization. So I see that the tech package was about epimerization is about 87 to 13 ratio. That's causing crystallizations make it difficult and also require column chromatography. We hate the column chromatography. So I have to solve the problem. This is the biggest bottleneck of our entire project. So I extensively searched that scientific journal to find out that similar condition and designed the experiment. So we screened all the possible peptide formation to minimize epimerization. Luckily, I found one condition. Guess what? This result was fantastic. It's 98 to 2 ratio. So that makes crystallization a lot easy, and also we completely avoid that column chromatography. So I think that's a good example. So I remember that 21 step is hard to handle, but I was able to handle that. Eventually, we provided about gram scale of the final compound to client. I usually assign to first time client and first time campaign. One customer bring into first campaign in outside. I see that the client is very small company, but doesn't have manpower to handle that. For example, they don't have the lab, they don't have the chemist. I feel that he has so much responsibility in his shoulder. So and then I realized that, okay, I need to have a more project ownership rather than any other case. We solved the problem one by one. And he's so much happy about that. And eventually, we successfully finished that process development. And then next step is non-GMP production, small scale, successful. Client is so much happy about that, working with Cambrex High Point. Cambrex High Point is expansion. We are planning to expand 2 clinical suites for pilot plant and 3 suites for commercial production suite. So that commercial production site is designated for about batch size 20 to 50 kilo of batch size, for especially targeting for open drug. The commercial production site is to fill gap between clinical site, which is less scale, and also regular commercial site, which is available in Charles City. So that's the ideal perfect batch size in between small scale and regular commercial scale. We have a lot of highly experienced chemists. I'm one of them. We share that experience and lesson. Everything is during the chemistry meeting. It gives me the opportunity to learn about that experience from every project. So basically, we work together, so like a team.